Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 37, lines and angles, section B, tough. Let's start. AB and CD are straight lines in this figure. See here, AB and CD are straight lines. It means this EO and OF is not a straight line. These two are different lines. Only AB and CD are straight lines. Now find Y. Only this much is given. But whatever is given in the figure, let's see. 48 AOE equals to 48. Then DOF equals to 100. BOF equals to 30. And what we have to find? Y. There are two ways of solving it. First is, I'll show you this in black. Very simple. AB and CD are intersecting each other. So AOC and DOB, these two angles are vertically opposite angles, hence they will be equal. So what is AOC now? But let's find DOB first. What is DOB? DOB 100 plus 30, that is DOB. Then what is AOC? 48 plus Y. So just find Y. Take 48 on this side. This becomes 130 minus 48. That is 82. That is number 1. Some books find AOD first. Means this AB is a straight line. So AOD plus DOF plus FOB. These three form 180 degrees. So AOD plus 100 plus 30 equals to 180. So AOD becomes 50. Now AOD is 50. Now CD is a straight line. So it's again 180. This Y plus 48 plus this angle 50. This is again 180. So 48 plus Y plus 50 equals to 180. So Y becomes what? 180 minus this becomes 98. 180 minus 98, that is 82. Either of these two methods can be used. Show the wrong pairs in the figure. See, this is the figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Line L is parallel to line M. Okay. Now we have to show the wrong pairs. Now corresponding angles. 1 equals to 5. 3 equals to 7. 2 equals to 6. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.